Now we move forward and take a few more questions. The question says the diagonal of a square lies along this line. Let's say we have a square and the diagonal of the square is along this line. 8x minus 15y equals to 0. And one of the vertex is 1, 2. One of the vertex is 1, 2. Now your confusion could be which vertex is 1, 2. A, B, C or D. For A and C, if the vertex is between A and C, either A or C, this point should satisfy this line. If this coordinate satisfies the equation of this line, the coordinate or the vertex is either A or C. But we see that 8 into 1, 15 into 2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, this vertex is neither A nor C. Therefore, it is either B or D. So, since there is no preference to any of the points, we can take any of them as 1, 2. Let's say we take B as 1, 2. Now, since this is a diagonal, this angle will definitely be 45 degree. And find the equation of the sides of the square passing through this vertex. We have to find the equation of the sides which are passing through this point. Now, passing through this point means we want equation of side BC and AB. Now, this question again becomes very simple. We are given a point through which our line is passing, and this line is making an angle of 45 degree with the given line. This angle is also 45. So, if we use our formula y minus y1 m plus minus tan alpha upon 1 minus plus m tan alpha x minus x1. When we take plus and minus, in the numerator we take plus, denominator minus, we get one of the equations, and when we take minus in the numerator, plus in the denominator, we get the second equation. So one of the equation will tell you the equation of AB, the other will tell you the equation of BC, because both these lines are making an angle of 45 degree with 8x minus 15y is 0, and both of them are passing through 1, 2. So what is x1, y1? Our line is passing through 1, 2. What is the angle between the two lines? 45 degree. Therefore, tan alpha is, or tan 45 is 1. And what is the slope of the given line? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Therefore, it is 8 by 50. So, we'll plug in the values y minus y1. What is m? M is 8 by 15. We'll take plus sign 1 upon 1. We'll take minus in the denominator. 8 by 15 into 1, x minus 1. This is the first equation. And then y minus 2, 8 by 15. We'll take minus sign in the numerator and plus sign in the denominator to get the other equation, x minus 1. So therefore, this becomes y minus 2, 15 plus 8, 23, and 15 minus 8, 7, 15 gets cancelled, x minus 1. Therefore, we have 7y minus 14 is 23x minus 23. So 7y is equal to, or 7y plus 9 is equal to 23x. This is the first equation. And if we solve this one, y minus 2, 8 minus 15 is minus 7 upon 15 plus 8 is 23, 15 gets cancelled, x minus 1. 23y minus 46 is equal to minus 7x plus 7. This gives us 23y plus 7x is equal to 53. This is your second equation. Therefore, these are the two equations of the sides which are passing through the vertex 1, 2 and making an angle of 45 degree with the diagonal. We are not sure which side is which. This is AB or this is AB. This is BC or this is BC. But definitely these are both the sides. One of them is AB and one of them is BC. Now, the fourth question says the equation of the base of an equilateral triangle is x plus y is equal to 2 and its vertex is 2, minus 1. So, let's draw a triangle. Let's draw a triangle. And this is an equilateral triangle. Let's say this is A, B, C. The base of the equilateral triangle has the equation x plus y is equal to 2. Now, the vertex is 2, minus 1. So, which vertex it is? If it is vertex B or C, it should satisfy the equation of the line. Therefore, we see 2 minus 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, this point is neither B nor C. Therefore, it is definitely then what? A. Now, all the angles inside equilateral triangle are 60 degree. Now, if we want the equation of AB and AC, we see that our line, both these lines are passing through 2, minus 1 and making an angle of 60 degree with a given line. So we can directly use our formula y minus y1 m plus minus tan alpha upon 1 minus plus m tan alpha x minus x1. So what is x1 y1? Our line is passing through 2, minus 1. What is alpha? 60 degree. The lines are making an angle of 60 degree. So what is tan 60? Root 3. What is slope of the given line? Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, that is minus 1. Therefore, if we put the values y minus y1 plus 1, what is m? M is minus 1. We'll take positive sign, root 3. Then we'll have to take negative in the denominator, minus 1 into root 3. X minus 2. This is your first equation. And the second one would be y plus 1 minus 1. We'll take negative sign. 1. We'll take positive in the denominator, minus 1 into root 3 x minus 2. Now, one of the equation will tell you the equation of side AB and one of them will tell you this equation of side AC. We are not sure which equation is which, but definitely they will tell the equation of the sides AB and AC. If you clean this up, this is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 x minus 2. We can transfer it to the left side. Root 3 plus 1 is equal to root 3 minus 1 times x minus 2. We can clean this up or leave it as it is. This is first equation. Similarly, y plus 1 is minus times 1 plus root 3 upon 1 minus root 3 x minus 2. So we can transfer this to the left side. Y plus 1 plus 1 plus root 3 times x minus 2 equals 0. This is your equation of the other side. One of them will represent the side AB, the other will represent side AC. Now it also says find the length of the sides. Now for the length of the sides, what we can do is, we can draw a perpendicular from the vertex. Now we know how to find this distance P, the perpendicular distance of a point from a line. If we can find this distance, this angle is 60 degree, we can apply trigonometry. So what is this P? Bring all the terms of the equation to one side, divide by coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square, add them and take square root, take mod and substitute the coordinates of the point through which our distance is to be found. So this is 2 minus 1 minus 2 upon root 2. This is 1 by root 2. Therefore, this length P is 1 by root 2. Now we want this length. This is the side of the triangle. So what we should do? If we know the angle 60, we know the perpendicular, we need to find out the hypotenuse. So what should we use? Sine 60. Perpendicular is 1 by root 2 upon hypotenuse AB we do not know, and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, what is AB? AB is 2 by root 2 into 1 by root 3. So this comes out to be root 2 by root 3. This comes out to be root 2 by root 3. Therefore, the side of the equilateral triangle is of length root 2 by root 3 units.